Hello, students and parents. The New Westminster School District has decided to use Office 365 and MS Teams as a main learning platform. In this video, we will look at the general features in MS Teams to help you navigate this new digital tool. I will assume that you have successfully managed to log into your Office 365 account using your student number and password. If that is not the case, please contact your teacher. To access Teams, click on the purple team icon right here. This will take you to the main Teams page. On the sidebar, you have access to a number of important options. The first one, that says Activity, will tell you about the recent changes that happen in your team. New assignments, new discussions, new posts, and so on. If you see a red circle with a number inside, you had new activity that happened since you last logged into your team. If I click on it, you can see all the new activities. Below is the Teams tab, which is where you will see all your teams. I will go into more details in a minute. Then there is the Assignments tab. If you see a red dot on it, it means that there are new assignments ready for you. If you click on this tab, you will need to choose which class you want to see the assignments from. Click on Next, and here you will see all the assignments, the one that were assigned, and if you click on that arrow, you will also see the one that you already completed. I will go into more details about assignments in another video. The next tab is the calendar. If you click on it, you will see all your class meetings or important deadlines. Finally, you have the Files tab, which is where you will find all the documents that you created or that were shared with you in your teams. If you click on the three dots, you will have access to more options. Now let's go back to the Teams option. This is where you will see all the classes you are already part of. If your teacher sent you a code to join a class, you can do that by clicking on the plus, Join or Create a Team, and in the Join a Team with a Code option, click here and enter the code that your teacher gave you. You will only have to do that once. Once you've joined a class, it will automatically appear here. To enter a class, simply click on the tile that you want. This is how most of the teams will look like, but every class will look a bit different depending on your teacher. First, on the side here, you have what is called channels. Everybody will have a general channel, and the other channels will look a little bit different depending on your teacher. Some of the channels might have a lock icon at the end of it. This means that only a few students or a group of students from your class has access to this channel. Nobody else will see it. In these channels, you will see some posts that were created by your teacher or some friends. If your teacher allows it, you can create your own posts. In my example right here, you can see that only the channel moderators can post in this general channel. However, if I click on the questions, here you can see this button that says New Conversation. This means I can create my own post in here. To start a new post, click on this New Conversation button and simply type in. For example, I don't understand the math assignment. You have a few more options when you create your own post. If you click on the A, you can add a subject. For example, math question. You can change the color of your text, you can underline it, and so on. At the bottom here, you can also add files or an emoji. Let's say, I'm pretty sad, I don't understand what it means. Once you're ready to post, simply click on the arrow at the bottom right corner right here. And here is your post. Anyone in the class can respond to your question, and you can reply to other posts. To do that, don't start a new conversation, but instead click on the reply button to somebody else's post and simply type in your answer. Once you're ready to respond, Again, click on the arrow underneath on the right-hand side. You can also simply like a post that somebody already wrote, or use an emoji. To do that, use your mouse and hover over the right-hand side of the post. You will see a few emojis that are available. Let's say I like this question because I didn't know where it was either. You can click on it and it appears right here. Let's go to the class meeting channel. Some posts that you see like this are about a class meeting. To access this meeting, simply click on it and click on Join. This will take you directly to the class meeting. If I go to the general channel, some posts that you see might be about assignments. To view the assignment, simply click on View Assignment, and you have access to the assignment. I will go into more details about assignments in another video. Let's go back to the posts. There are a few other features that you can access in a team at the top here. So far, we've only looked at posts. Every different channel has different posts. After posts, you can find files. This is where all the files posted for this specific channel can be found. Every channel will have different files attached to them. Only in the general channel here, you will find the class notebook. Many teachers will use that to share information with students. I will give more information about class notebook in another video. Next, you have the assignment tab. Again, that option only appears in the general channel. Here, you will find all the assignments that were posted, the one that you still have to do, and the one that you have completed. Next, you can see your grades for all the assignments. And finally, you have some extra tabs. Those will depend on your teacher. Often, those are links to other websites. For example, in this case, I have an extra link to Simbi. You could have links to Mathletics, to Fresh Grades, depending on what your teacher is using. Please note that if you're not in full screen, some of the information might be hidden in the More tab. If you click on that, you can see all the options that were at the top before. And this is it for the general navigation of MS Teams. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day.